Hey all, Arun here from BrandFlix. Today we are exploring the Roto Brush tool in After Effects, your ticket to background removal without a green screen. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to importing the video you want to work on. Navigate to File, Import, then click on File. For this demonstration, I have chosen my friend's YouTube video. Now let's dive into the process of removing the background using the Roto Brush tool. Click on Roto Brush from the toolbar. You will notice two tools. Choose the Roto Brush tool. Double click on the video and start drawing over the subject. You will see a pink line forming, indicating the subject is selected. Head to composition to check how the selection works. The background is removed, but we need to address the edges, especially the hair. Select the Refine Edge tool from the toolbar. Click and drag along the edges, making sure to include both the background and subject. Return to the composition and observe the improvements. Looks good. But let's enhance it further by smoothing out these edges. Add some feather for a polished finish. Now let's complete the video by adding a suitable background. We are almost done. Before we conclude, let's render the video and witness the final result. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. This is Arun signing off from BrandFlix.